Let's use the circle of fifths dial to create the C major scale. It's the easiest scale to learn on piano. Let's turn the C underneath the Roman numeral 1. So as you can see, if I follow through in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on the outer part of the circle, which is the major, we're going to have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then back to C. If it seems like I'm jumping around, I'm actually not. It's really easy to follow. You just skip one window every time you want to go to the next note in the scale. So the 1 is skip a window, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's actually really easy once you understand that. So let's take the C major scale from our circle of fifths dial and apply it to the keyboard. So we know C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and back to C.